Now come to this website called StakeCut. We'll now come to this place here. We're gonna tap on that and then come down to this marketplace. So for us to get a better view, let's tap here and then open the desktop site. So now we have the desktop sites. You can see we can now see all the products that are being listed here. See, a lot of products are being listed here. So this is where we are now going to select the product that we feel is best for us to promote, products that we are comfortable with promoting. Guys, product that we are comfortable with promoting. Good. So someone like me, as a graphic designer, I also like video editing or video mastery. So I found it very easy to promote this video editing mastery. Good. Now all you have to do is and then we're going to tap on promote. Then you see we have the product and we have the JV page. So now this is the product page. You can tap on the product page. You can see the product page, and this is whoever that is going to buy this course is going to see. Good. JV page. This JV page, this is your own the affiliate marketing page. Do you get the affiliate? So this page is for you as an affiliate marketer. It's for you as an affiliate marketer. Good. So you can join the channel. You see, this is join affiliate channel. So this page is for only you as the affiliate marketer. The other page is the product page. So let's go back. So this is down here is where you have your affiliate link. You have your affiliate link here. This is where you have your affiliate link, and then you can now copy it here. So we'll now tap on that and we are going to, it has already been copied. So now I want you guys to go to your Google Keep. I always advise you guys to use Google Keep because Google Keep is kind of, it really helps to organize your notes. So we can just create a new one, but I have my affiliate home here, so I can just put a new one and then post my link here. So this is my video, my video course. So now you have your link ready. So the next thing you have to do is to look for the people that are interested. That means this is called your ideal audience. Now your ideal audience are the ones that the people that might have interest or will have interest in your product that you're selling. So we've taken the video editing course and we are going to look for people that might be interested in that. So we're going to do that in two ways. Now one is free and the other one is paid. Now the free way is the organic traffic, and organic traffic I've talked about that. I've made a video about how to go about that, and I'll drop the link in the description. You go watch the video. So you're using your Instagram, you can use your TikTok to start downloading videos there and then posting it and then consistently growing your audience. But for the paid one, we are going to now either look for WhatsApp TVs, because I'm sure you guys are having WhatsApp on your phone, so you have WhatsApp TVs, or you're going to look for Facebook ads. If you know how to do advertisements, that is good. If you don't know how to do it, we will have to now start looking for people that know how to do it. And don't don't go for everybody, because some people don't really know how to do it well. So make your little research before you pay someone to run an advertisement for you. Now the next thing we have to do is to come to our WhatsApp, and then we're going to create a new group, and then the name of the group should be, so then now have our group, and this is our group. So now the next thing we have to do is to go get the resources for this course, to promote this course, because we need the resources to promote this video editing course. So what we have to do is to go back to in our stake course. So what we have to do is to tap on this JV page, and this is where I told you that this is for you as an affiliate. This page is for you as an affiliate. So all of this money are just like challenges that you can partake in. So what we are going to do is to join Telegram channel, and then we'll join it. So here we have, this is where we are going to get most of the resources that we can use video editing mastering course. So you can see this is where we're going to get a lot of what we can use. You can see these are even testimonies of people that have bought the course. So you see, so all of this you can use it for the promotion of the course itself. And you can see this is a video tutorial promotion. You see, you can do this on your status. So you just download it and keep all the resources and other testimonials that you can use on your status. So you just keep all the resources, because now you're getting to work. I hope you guys understand. You've made the product, you also have to work to promote the product, and this is all you have. So let me play this video. So you see, this is like testimonies of what people are doing and the rest. So you gather all the testimony, because these are like the resources that you need. These are the resources that you need. So you gather all of the necessary information. So like you see, this is where you download the advert, the flyer. Every one of you will come to this group. If you tap on that link, join the group, every one of you will be here. So just tap on this Google Drive to go get all the flyer. So you see, this is the flyer that you will need. So all you have to do is just tap here and then download the flyer. So you download the flyer, and it has downloaded to your phone. So you will now go back to your WhatsApp, and then you're going to now put it. Yes, now you've started working. You can see. So now this is the process of you being an affiliate. This is the process. Now you have created your group and you have uploaded your picture on your group. So you are going to create a WA link. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Before you even run your advertisement, you're going to create a WA link that is going to have an auto respond message for the people that will be interested in your product. So come to your Chrome, and then you type in WA link. WA link. This first link here, create WA link. You now tap on it, WhatsApp WA link, and then this is the website you have. So you come down here, and then you tap on this create a free WA link. So it's going to bring you down here. Then you put the number that you're going to use, that you're going to now type in the message that they are going to see. This is a custom message that they are going to see. So always make sure you do this. So let's go back. Let me go to my notes, and then this is what you're going to type in there. Look at it. Welcome to the Video Mastery 3 days free class. You can save my number as you put your name there. My name is Victor, so you put your own name. What is your name, so I can save and add you to the group. So now we'll copy it and then take it back to our WA link here, and then we are going to paste it here, and then we're not going to say preview, or let's just say generate anyone. If you want preview, it's just to see the way it is, so the way it's going to come out. So you can see, so whoever texts you is going to see this thing, and then the person is going to put their name. So let's go back, and then we'll now click on generate link. So just scroll down here, and then you now tap on this copy link. So we have copied the link. Let's take it back to our notepad, and then we'll just drop it here, paste the link here, paste. Good. So now let's say this is the WA link, and the person have seen the advertisement and the person is interested. So the person clicks on the link to join or to learn more. So the links now bring the person to you. You can see this is my order line, so it brings the person to you, and then here the person is going to read welcome to the you see, to the video mastery 3 days class. You can say my name as Victor, then what is your name, then I'll add you to the group. So the person is now going to just write in the person's name. So let me say my name is so my name is James, and then it's going to send you. So you're now going to see it, and when you have seen it, this is to make sure that the person have saved your number. The person is going to save your number. Then the person is now going, you're now going to send the person to the group. You either copy the group link and give the person, or you just add the person to the group when the person has saved your number. So you have created your WA link. The next thing you need is your copy, because you now have your WA link, you now have the image, that is the image that you're going to use to promote it, and then you have your WA link. So the next thing is your copy. Now to get your copy, you go to just Telegram, and then you search in the group. There are places where people where the creator of the course has dropped in copy. Or you can create your own copy, but as a beginner, I'm sure you don't know how to create your own copy, so I advise you to go there and then copy it, and maybe you can change a little things, or you leave it like way. So let me go to Telegram and show you guys the copy that you're going to copy for your advertisement. This is the copy. You can see this Facebook ads copy that you can use. So do you know why big brands, online marketers, and physical product owners are all struggling to create professional videos? You see, so this is the copy. Or you can now use this, and then you see down here where it says insert your link, then good. So what we do is just tap on this and then copy it, and then take it to our group that we created. So our group, or you can either keep it in your notepad. Let's say notepad, this is you just being organized. You can just keep it in your notepad, but use Google Keep. Don't use this. No, I'm just using this for video purpose, but I recommend you using Google Keep. So you just always make sure, you see, so here is, you just always label it. So this is for the copy, so this is your WA link. So you just label it, and yeah, so just to help you organize and you know what you're doing. So we'll now go back to the Telegram, and then let's see this. You see the full 3 days webinar script. Then I spent a lot of time putting this together, and so let's enter this, then join this channel and see. So this is like the webinar script that you're going to use for the course. So this is like the script. This is the script you're going to use for the course itself. Let's go up. So you see, it has made everything very simple. This particular course creator has made everything very simple, starting from here, the introduction. Good evening, beautiful people. Then you're going to insert your name. Here you're going to insert your name. You see your name, that's where you're going to insert your name. So all of these things you're now going to, you can leave it here, or you are going to copy it and then take it to your, organize it. Let's say you see introduction and everything. So maybe you copy it and then take it to your notes, and then come down here, and then you're now going to paste it, or you're going to write day 1 class, and then come down, and then you're going to now paste all what you have copied. You paste it like this. So the class has been made very simple for you. So you're just going to go down and then search, and you see you're just going to go down, and then exactly how he has organized everything is what you're going to do, and then just keep one by one as you're running the class. I hope you guys understand. Now actually, whoever created that course has made life very easy for the affiliate marketers that are going to promote it, because the person has literally made all the notes that all affiliates are going to use to promote it. So now that you have everything in place, what you're going to do is to now look for where you're going to promote your products. So when promoting your product, you first of all give the person you're promoting the image, then the copy, then the WA link you have created. the WA link you have created. So anybody that taps on the WA link from the advertisement will come to your DM first. The person will come to your DM first, and the person is going to type in their name. You're going to do a 3 days free class. A 3 days free class is what you're going to do. Now this 3 days free class is just to develop trust between both of you. So you're going to develop trust by showing them and giving them free values. That is showing them the importance of the course that you're going to promote. By any course that you guys choose, it has, you can give like free knowledge before the main course itself. So now all of these things aren't even the hard part. Now the hard part is you generating leads. Now generating leads or leads generation is just the act of you gathering a lot of contacts that are interested in your product, or your contacts that you're going to groom them to buy your products at the end. Everything in this video is kind of what affiliate marketers does, but the thing is, you know, why you have to buy an affiliate marketing course is because an affiliate marketing course is going to guide you professionally in the whole affiliate marketing world. So it's going to teach you sales, it's going to teach you lead generation, it's going to teach you marketing. There's a lot of things, and you're going to meet affiliate marketers there, that's top affiliate marketers, and even the course creator himself. So affiliate marketing itself, it's kind of a case study. So if you want to scale in that aspect, then I will highly recommend you buy your course. So I have a link down below. This affiliate marketing course, I checked for the cheap affiliate marketing course out there. Now the reason why it's cheap is not because it has lower value to give out there, but it's because at least the price for the course at least is kind of favorable to new affiliate marketers out there, to new people that just starting up. Because the question is, if you buy an affiliate course for 60,000 naira or for 70,000 naira, well, how much are you going to now use to run advertisements? How much are you going to just, it's kind of fees as much. So for people out there that don't have this amount of money, then I'll highly recommend you buy this affiliate marketing down there, and then the link is going to be in the description, so you can buy it. It's kind of way cheaper than all of this other affiliate marketing that costs way high amount. So that is just it. But if you guys are happy with all what I've told you in this video and you're fine to go, then actually you can actually succeed with affiliate marketing. Now to run advertisements, I would highly recommend you use TVs, but you need to understand the TVs that you're going to run advertisement on. Most of these TVs are TVs that just run with let's say explicit content, or let's say sports and all of this, and so most of their viewers might not be interested in certain courses that you are sending. So most times you should check out for that, and then you should check out for viewers. That is a lot of TVs that have a lot of viewers. You check out for them too, so you should know how to run your advertisements with them. So that is it. So if you've gotten value from this video, and if you have any questions, you should drop it down in the comment section. I'm here to guide you guys. And subscribe, like the video. See you guys.